Take a ride in the 2014 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.